I wonder what I should do. Tower 4, this is Tower 2. How are the radio tracks? Over. Tower 4, this is Tower 2, this is Tower 4. You're good. Good to hear, Tower 4. Taking off for the night. Park's all yours. Over. He should be here by any minute now. Why do I have some 2 legs and why do I need to exist? Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? I'm coming. Tower 4, Tower 2, this is Tower 4. What's your problem? Over.
I saw this channel listed on one of the trails out here. I need you to help me. I'm lost and something is chasing me. Please, you have to help me.
Psst. Calm down. You need to stay calm. Where are you?
I don't know. Something started chasing me, so I started running. You have to help me. I'm going to die out here.
He must be here by any minute now. He said something was chasing him. But first, I must turn on the floodlights so he can see where I am.
Yeah, okay. I see them. I'm gonna come to you. Thank you.
Oh my God. Well, this is creepy. So, anyways, as I was saying. Huh?
I don't know what happened back there. I was camping, a solo hike, just a day or 2 to myself. This was such a mistake. Got fresh air, a run.
Oh, yeah, I understand.
That did me. I'm sorry, I'm just rambling at you. Just trying to keep my head busy, I'll let you get back to whatever you do.
Okay. Oh, it's nice to be. Huh? Wait. Are you serious? Wait, what? What? Let me in. Hello, I don't copy. Could you repeat? Over.
You feeling alright up there? I didn't say anything. Look, I should be up to you any minute, right?
Oh my God. What the hell was that? Who was saying run now? Huh? What? What was that? What was that? Wait, what's that? What was that? Calm down, Calvin. Calm down, friends. You must be seeing things. Oh, come on. Oh my God. What was that? Forget it. Oh! Oh! It's just a tree. It's just a tree falling. Don't worry about it. Keep on the path. Over.
No. Did you hear that? That is not a tree.
Oh my God. What the hell was that screaming for? I said it was a tree falling, but he was like, no. Did you hear that? That was not a tree. Huh?
I think I lost it.
Oh. What do you see? Any landmarks?
I think I see a lake and a cave, a mine, something like that.
Okay, if he has to go to the mine. Head towards the lake. It'll put you back on the trail. Over.
Okay. You get me out of this. I owe you one. Okay, let's just set it at that.
Let's see if he has to go towards the mine and it had to go to the lake. Something out there might get him, but I want to know what the hell was that screaming for? That screaming was like crazy and weird. Ugh, forget it, Thomas and friends. It was just a hiker screaming. No, it wasn't. He told me and said, "What was that? Did you hear that? It wasn't the hiker." Oh my god. I have to go back to that mapping to see where he must go. Oh, let me go. Why can't I focus fleeing everywhere? So he has to go to the Cold Town Trail, and then he has to go to the Graceland Land. Yep, that's where he's supposed to go. It's a beautiful, relaxing day. I hope the hiker will come to me. At least he will still come to me whenever he likes it. The fresh air looks nice, and every huh?
Watching the lake.
What is he talking about now?
2% Cashback.
What in the world was that? Don't worry, Thomas and friends. Don't be scared. Huh? What was that? Oh, the light just turned on by itself. What the hell? Huh?
Why do you think hiking would be fun? It's supposed to be fun. Should this be fun?
What?
I guess I used to think so.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm not doing that again. And just thinking about it again, it's giving me the heebie-jeebies. How do you do it, though? I mean, alright. I guess you get paid and all. You have a cozy cabin all night. I've been stuck out here, but...
Yeah, I know.
Let's give you creeps. Just a little bit.
I guess it's not so bad though. Oh. Oh.
Should I make it run?
What the hell? Oh. I knew it. I hope he gets here right this time. But I hope the hiker is okay. I don't want him to get lost through that woods. And also, what am I supposed to do here?
Looks like I'm getting onto, Gracewind Lake Pass.
Yep.
This, how much longer till I'm over here?
Turn off and take the secondary trail a bit further ahead.
Yeah, sure. What is it, like, bears or something?
Oh my god, they're truly bears there. If I see a bear, if I see a bear man, I am done. But I don't know. Let's keep going. I'm just. He should be here by any minute now. But first, I must turn on the headlights so he will know where I am. I didn't know what was that. Well, I'm gonna save the hiker, but I don't know who said, "Are you watching the lake?" and shall I make it a run? And started laughing. I am getting the creeps in my ears, in my eyes, in my brain.
Die neue Sensordüne klingt.
Bro. He should be here by any minute now. Something like that. Just stick to the other path and you will be fine. Bro, he didn't answer. Well, that's stupid. Okay, gotta turn on the floodlights. Let me fit in. Okay. He'll know where I am. I hope the hiker will be safe. Huh? Wait.
I don't know where I'm going.
Wait, what?
He chased me off the trail. I think he knows where I'm trying to go. Please, I can get there before it catches me.
Okay.
I just need to know where I'm going.
Oh, what was that noise? Oh, it was my weird elite deaf ear or whatever. I'll turn on the floodlights so he'll know where I am. Again, I have to do this again. For the hiker. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Ah! Oh, wait, what? Ah, he's here! Ah! Ah, I'm doomed. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank god. It was just a nightmare. Tower 4, this is Tower 2. How are the radio tracks? Over. Psst. Tower 4, this is Tower 2. I'm in the radio check. Over. Psst. Psst. Good to hear, Tower 4. Taking off for the night. Park's all yours. Over. Psst. I hope nothing bad happens to the hiker because I got killed in my first stream.
Looks like another fork in the road.
Okay. It's okay. He has to go to that mind. Got it. Have an idea. Head off this path to the left.
You, I'm getting the feeling that, somebody's watching you.
No?
No, never mind. I'm just being paranoid.
Okay. Well, the hiker should be here by any minute now. Huh?
You there?
What the?
Where am I? Where did you send me? Because I just turned up to some empty tower.
Okay.
Very confused. This is not funny.
Okay.
I have had an extremely long night. So please, just tell me where you are. Show me where you are.
I'm
I
in.
need to know
Okay. So, yeah. Don't worry, he's coming. Let me see. Goatman has... No, that's not true.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, thank you for coming here. Yes, thank you. I was the real hiker. What was that screaming for? Nothing. Hey, wanna watch some TV? Yes. I better go to bed. We need a third hiker. What? But I'm the hiker here. Well, we need 3. It's just 2 of us. Fine, I'll just go to bed. Oh, he needs num-nums. Anyways, as I was saying. Tower 3. This is Tower 3. Tower 3. This is Tower 5. Tower 2. This is Tower 4. Tower 4. This is Tower 5. How are you? Good? Okay. We're good. We're good. You can come to my tower. Good to hear, Tower 2. Taking off for night. Park's all yours. Over. Okay, Tower 5. He must be here by any minute now. Yeah. What am I supposed to do now? Psst. Am I some break in the road? It says I'm curling the pail of some rocks trail. What should I do? You come to my tower. Over. Alright. If you just get me out of this. Well, he should be here by any minute now. Chasing you. Chasing you. Huh? Chasing me? What? I'm not even running. Well, who could I... What? Wait, what? Do you see it? Me? Oh, do you see? Oh, what have I done? Look, you can't do this to me. You can't just mimic another people, but not me. Please, show me where you are. Show me where you are. Just keep on the path. Over. You'll be nearly there. Thanks. I'll get the what? That sound again! Please, help me. I want to get into your tower before it's too late. Psst. Psst. Don't worry, you'll be here on time. Psst. Over. Bro, he should be here by any minute now. No. Thank you. Huh? What? I'm coming to your tower. I'm close to your tower. Oh, thank God. Well, this was the end. So, there were 2 hikers. The first hiker made it on time, but the third hiker, he was lost and finally got in. And this was happily ever.